Hi everyone, in front of me I've got the Blackview A90 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and here let's tap on sound. Now let's scroll down to the ringtone section, and as you can see we can change the ringtone for calls, and this is the first option, but also for the notifications and the alarms. So let me show you how to do it using the phone ringtone. After tapping on the option which you would like to customize, you will be transferred to the defaultly installed ringtones from which you can choose. At the very top of this list you've got the option none, which means that after picking it, your device will not use any ringtone actually to notify you about the incoming call. And at the very bottom, on the other hand, you've got the add ringtone option, which simply means that you will be able to pick something from your own files. For example, download it, they will appear right here and you will be able to pick them and set them as a ringtone, of course if they are compatible. But let me pick something from the defaultly installed ones, and in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, simply tap on it. And maybe let me volume it down a little bit. So basically this is how it works, and just tap on the particular option and listen to it. And if you are happy with your choice, let's pretend I want to set this one. Just make sure that it is marked and tap on OK. And as you can see, it will be immediately notified right here, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone in order to notify you about the incoming call. So actually this is it. This is how to change the ringtone in your Blackview A90. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.